In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads, Tag Manager, and Analytics. By the end, your accounts will be sharing data correctly so you can measure conversions accurately and optimize your campaigns with confidence. Start in Google Ads, sign into the account you want to use, and make sure you have admin access. At the top, open the Tools menu. From there, go to Data Manager. This is where you connect Google products so data can flow between them. Choose the option to connect a new product and click the plus button. Select Google Analytics, GA4. You'll see a list of GA4 properties your account has permission to access. Pick the property that matches your website or app and click Link. On the next screen, enable the toggle to import app and web metrics from Analytics into Ads. This allows Google Ads to use GA4 engagement data, build audiences, and attribute conversions more accurately. Confirm and save. Now connect GA4 to Google Tag Manager so measurement data is sent correctly from your site. In Tag Manager, create a GA4 configuration tag, paste in your GA4 measurement ID from admin in Analytics, and set it to fire on all pages. Submit and publish the container. If you've already done this, you're set. Just make sure the correct container is live on your site. Back in Google Ads, go to Goals, then Conversions, and open Summary. Here you'll create the conversion actions that ads will optimize toward. Click to create a new conversion action. Choose the type that matches your business objective, like a purchase, lead, or sign up. Take a moment to set a clear name, choose how you want to count, every versus one, assign a value if you have one, and include the conversion in account level reporting as needed. These settings don't add extra steps, but they do ensure cleaner reporting. When prompted for how you'll install the tag, select Use Google Tag Manager. Google Ads will show you a conversion ID and a conversion label. In Tag Manager, add a Google Ads conversion tracking tag, paste in that ID and label, and set a precise trigger, such as a thank you page view or a form submission event. Save the tag. Before going live, verify and publish. In Tag Manager, click Preview, navigate your site, and perform the action. Use Tag Assistant to confirm the conversion tag fires once and only once. If everything looks good, submit and publish the container. In Google Ads, check the conversion status. It may show unverified at first and switch to recording after data comes in. That's it. Your Google Ads, Tag Manager, and Analytics are now linked and tracking properly.